Hello everyone, Zen Programmer here. Today we're going to explore how to make money as an independent data scientist in 2025. This is an exciting time to be in this field, and the opportunities for skilled data scientists are only growing. Whether you're looking to work on your own terms, earn more, or take on exciting projects, we'll discuss the strategies that can make that happen. So, why go independent? The demand for data scientists has never been higher. Businesses are constantly looking for experts to unlock insights, improve efficiency, and create innovative solutions. By becoming an independent data scientist, you open doors to flexible work, higher income potential, and the ability to shape your career in ways that suit your strengths and passions. This presentation will show you how to tap into these opportunities. Freelancing and consulting are some of the best ways to monetize your data science skills. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal are full of high-paying opportunities that give you flexibility. But don't just think of this as a side hustle. Consulting gives you a chance to solve real-world problems for high-level clients. Specializing in areas like machine learning or data visualization can help you stand out, and don't forget to build a portfolio to showcase your best work. Another great opportunity is creating your own AI-driven products or tools. If you've ever thought, I could build something that solves this problem better, then now's the time to act. Whether it's an AI-based tool for data cleaning or an entire SaaS product, these tools can generate passive income and scale as businesses adopt them. Think about the success stories we've seen with AI startups. There's room for you to join this wave. Data is the new oil, and if you've got valuable data sets, why not monetize them? Think about offering your data as a service, whether it's through APIs that provide real-time market data or insights drawn from social media sentiment analysis. You can generate recurring revenue while helping businesses access the valuable insights they need. Building these types of data products can be very lucrative, especially when you create something unique and high demand. Sharing your expertise through online courses is a fantastic way to generate income while helping others grow. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera make it easy to package your knowledge into courses that teach others how to do what you do. And it's not just about teaching basics. You can dive deep into niche topics like machine learning for finance or deep learning applications in healthcare. The best part? Once your course is created, it can bring in money passively for years to come. Let's talk about content creation. If you love writing, creating videos, or simply sharing your thoughts, why not turn that into a paid opportunity? A paid newsletter or creating a YouTube channel focused on data science insights can attract an audience willing to pay for exclusive content. This could be tutorials, behind-the-scenes problem solving, or cutting-edge industry insights. Think about it. You're not just creating content, you're building a community that values your expertise. As an independent data scientist, you don't just have to work for others. You can also partner with or invest in innovative startups. Many AI and blockchain projects are looking for technical experts like you to help guide their development. By offering your consulting services, you could earn equity or revenue shares in exchange. This could be a fantastic way to tap into the next big thing while expanding your professional network and increasing your wealth. Open source contributions not only help you build credibility in the data science community, but they can also generate income. By creating popular open source tools or contributing to existing ones, you can attract sponsorships from companies or offer premium features for a fee. This is an amazing way to gain recognition while also earning money from your passion for coding and development. Specializing in a high-demand niche can elevate your earning potential significantly. Data science isn't just one thing, it's a collection of specializations. For example, AI ethics, blockchain data, or even cybersecurity data science are growing areas where experts are needed. These niches often come with higher rates as they require deep expertise and understanding of complex issues. The more specialized you are, the more valuable you become to your clients. Your personal brand is your ticket to attracting the right clients and opportunities. In today's digital world, you need a strong online presence. That means consistently posting on LinkedIn, writing insightful blog posts, and engaging in data science communities. The more visible you are, the more likely businesses will come to you for help. Share your success stories, offer your insights, and let your brand shine. Networking is a key driver of success. But it's not just about handing out business cards. It's about building real, meaningful relationships. Attend conferences, webinars, and online forums where data scientists gather and participate in discussions. Offer help, ask questions, and showcase your knowledge. Through this, you'll build a network that can lead to collaborations, job offers, or partnerships. Remember, your network is often your net worth. Creating passive income streams is one of the smartest ways to generate revenue as an independent data scientist. Whether it's by selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or course access, or by building tools that automate processes, these streams will continue to earn for you even while you sleep. Think of it as building an asset that works for you. The key here is setting it up once and letting the money flow in. To thrive as an independent data scientist, it's crucial to understand your pricing strategy and how to plan for the long term. Your skills are valuable, so don't undervalue them. As you gain experience and specialization, you can increase your rates. And with proper financial planning, including budgeting and saving for retirement, you ensure that your success continues to grow. Tools like QuickBooks can help manage finances, making your independent career sustainable for years to come. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. The world is at the beginning of a data-driven revolution, and as an independent data scientist, you are in the perfect position to capitalize on it. There are endless opportunities to explore, from freelancing and creating products to investing and mentoring others. The only limit is your imagination. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, believe in the value you bring. Your future as an independent data scientist starts now, and it's brighter than ever before. Let's make 2025 your year to thrive. This is Zen Programmer. I'll see you next time.